Viewers, welcome back to my tutor, which is Moonbars. Today they are giving us a problem under a Laplace transform, which is f of t equal to t. Find Laplace f of t. This question is very simple to solve, but before I move on, I would like to beg you to subscribe or to follow this page. Thanks for watching, share the video, like it and comment. Let us move to the problem given to us. Solution. Because problem share is a problem solved. So the first step to apply for this Laplace transform, there is a formula for what Laplace transform, which is what Laplace f of t equal to integral infinity to 0 exponential minus st f of t times dt. This is the formula for Laplace transform. But our f of t equal to what? T. So let us substitute our f of t to be equal to what? T. So also the same thing as what? Laplace f of t equal to what? Integral infinity to 0 exponential minus st times our f of t equal to t times dt. So now you can also arrange this exponential minus st times dt. We can also arrange it like this. Also the same thing as what Laplace f of t equal to integral infinity to 0 t times exponential minus st times dt. So if you look this problem now, it has led us to what? Integration by part. We have to use integration by part by solving it. So next step we should use what? Using integration by parts. And also don't forget that there is a formula for integration by parts, which is what? Integral u dv equal to uv minus integral v du. This is the formula for integration by parts. And we have what? Let me write this data given out or unknown value, which is what? U. We don't know our u. Our dv is unknown. Our u is unknown. Our v is unknown. And also what? Our du. Our du is unknown. But the next step to find our u, our dv, our u, and our v, and our du, it is very simple by using what? LAPLACE. There is a abbreviation for it. LAPLACE. We use LAPLACE to solve what? Integration by part. There is a what? It's a abbreviation. The meaning of this abbreviation is what? L stands for logarithm, I stand for inverse, A stand for algebraic, T stand for trigonometry, E stand for exponential. I have taught this integration by part in my previous lesson. So before what? In the problem, let me write the problem out. Our f of t, our integral infinity to 0 t times exponential minus st dt. We want to use integration by part to solve it, but we don't know our u, we don't know our v, we don't know our sorry, I have write this u twice. We don't know our v and we don't know our du. It is very simple to find by using what? By using this abbreviation, which is what? LAPLACE. So to find first step in the problem, L stand for what? L stand for logarithm. In the problem, can we find logarithm there? No, we cannot find it. You will move to what? The next alphabet, which is what? Which is I. Can we find inverse in the problem? We cannot find inverse in the problem. Can we find algebraic? Can we find algebraic in the problem? Yes, we can find algebraic in the problem. That is our u. Our algebraic is what? T. That is our u to be equal to what? Our u to be equal to t. If we look the formula, our u come before what? Dv. The next step we are looking for dv. our dv is what? Is unknown. The next alphabet is what? T. Our T stand for trigonometry. Can we find any sign or any trigonometry sign here? We cannot find it. And the next letter is what? E, which is what? Exponential. So we can also find what? We can also find exponential here, which is what? Which is dv. Our dv now to be equal to what? Exponential minus st. So since we are get du and what? And dv, it is very simple to get others. So the next step we should what? We should find what? Our v is what? Is unknown, while our du is also what? Is unknown. But to find our dv, to find our v, we should what? We have to what? We have to integrate dv, which is what? V equal to what? Integral dv. And our dv equal to what? Our dv equal to exponential minus st, which is equal to what? Integral. What is our dv? What is our dv? Our dv equal to what? Exponential minus st. So by integrating exponential minus st to be equal to what? Our v now to be equal to what? Exponential minus st divided by minus x plus c. So our v to be equal to what? Exponential minus st divided by v. Our v equal to what? Exponential minus st divided by minus x. You mean what? You mean our du. We are looking for our du. Our du is unknown. So since they are giving us our u, it is very simple to get our du. We have to what? We have to differentiate this u, which is what? Du equal to what? Du, let me write like this. U equal to t. So let us differentiate this u, which is what? Du all over what? Which alphabet is inside? The t. By integrating what? By using the general formula, we say that nx raised by n minus 1. So let us n minus 1. We can also change this. You can also change it like this. N t raised by n minus 1. So by substituting it, which is what? Our n is our what? Our power. When you want to integrate our n, we what? We change to what? We change to b and we subtract it to it, which is what? By differentiating dt, the t will change to what? It will become 1, which is what? What is our power? Our power is what? Is 1 here. 1 times what? T raised to power n. What is our n? Is what? Is 1. 1 minus 1. So since our du all over the t to be equal to what? 1 times t. 1 times t 1 minus raised to power 1 minus 1. 1 minus 1 giving us what? Is 0. From the 0 law, any alphabet or any value raised to power 1, we give any alphabet or any number raised to power 0 will be giving us what? It will be giving us what? 1. From 0 law, which say that what? Any number or any value raised to power 0 will be giving us what? 1. So we call from it. T raised to power 0 will be giving us what? 1. So 1 times 1 will be giving us 1. The u all over the t now equal to what? Now equal to 1. Now equal to what? Now equal to 1. But don't forget, we are looking for what? Our du. So the next step we should what? We should cross multiply. By cross multiply, du equal to what? Dt times 1. So dt times 1 will give us what? T. So du now equal to what? Dt. The dt times 1 will give us what? Dt. So our du now equal to what? Dt. So now we can have what? We can now substitute it back into the what? Into the formula, since we are getting what? Unknown value. We go back. Integral uv equal to what? Uv minus integral v du. So integral, what is our u? T. Integral, what is our u? T times, what is our v? Our v equal to what? Our v equal to dv rather. dv. What is our dv? Our dv equal to exponential minus st equal to what? What is our u? Our u equal to t times, what is our v? Our v equal to exponential minus st divided by minus x minus integral. What is our v? Our v equal to what? Exponential minus st. Exponential minus st divided by minus x times what is our du? Our du equal to what? dt. Now the next step is what? Is also the same thing. Integral t times exponential minus st equal to what? T times exponential minus st will be giving us what? T exponential minus st divided by minus x minus. The next step, we cannot what? We have to integrate this. So we cannot integrate like this, which is what? Integral minus st divided by minus x. We cannot integrate it like that. We have to what? We have to factorize it, the constant out, which is what? Which is minus 1 divided by what? Minus 1 divided by minus x integral exponential minus st dt. So the next step also the same thing as what? Integral t times exponential minus st equal to what? T times exponential minus st divided by minus x minus 1 divided by minus x. By integrating this in the from the integration table, if we want to integrate, just assume like this. Some of you may be confusing by what? How exponential minus st become what? How to integrate it. From some example, they give us what? Exponential 2s from integration table. You know, if you want to what? If you want to integrate this, you'll be giving us what? Exponential minus exponential 2s divided by 2 from the integration table. Just be looking at it. Whenever t is what? Is our variable. Y x is what? Is a constant. T is our variable in Laplace transform. Ys is what? Is constant. So just know it like that. From the integration table, open bracket exponential minus st divided by minus x plus c. So by using the constant to open the bracket, integral st times exponential minus st equal to what? T times exponential minus st divided by minus x minus 1 times exponential minus st be giving us what? Exponential st divided by what? Minus times minus be giving us plus. S times s be giving us what? X squared plus c. So we have integrated finished. But don't forget, they are giving us a what? Upper limit and what? Our lower limit, which is what? Infinity to 0. Our upper limit is infinity. Our lower limit is 0. So we have what? We have integrated this by using what? By using integration by part. The next step we should what? We should substitute our upper limit and lower limit to it. So our upper limit is infinity. Our lower limit is 0. T times exponential minus st equal to what? T exponential minus st divided by minus x minus exponential minus st divided by x squared plus c. So the next step, we should what? We should substitute it into our lower limit and upper limit. Just assume that whenever we see t, you'll be substituting it. Any place we see t, you'll be substituting it as well. Let's look at what? Our upper limit first. So our upper limit is what? Infinity. You'll be substituting it as what? This you want to use this. You want to substitute our upper limit to this. So our t exponential minus st divided by minus x minus exponential minus st divided by x squared. So by what? By substituting it is what? Our upper limit is infinity, our lower limit is 0. So let us substitute like this. Open bracket, also the same thing, open bracket. What is our upper limit? Our upper limit is infinity times exponential minus x times infinity divided by minus x minus exponential minus x times infinity divided by x squared, all in brackets, minus, remain our lower limit. Our lower limit is 0. Let us substitute. Whenever we see t, we substitute as what? As 0. So 0 times t, 0 times exponential minus x times 0 divided by minus x minus exponential minus exponential minus x times 0 divided by x squared, all in bracket. All equal to what? Equal to what? Open bracket, infinity times exponential minus x times x infinity be giving us what? Minus infinity divided by minus x minus exponential minus x times infinity be giving us what? Infinity divided by x squared, all in bracket. Minus, what is our lower limit? 0 times exponential minus x times 0 be giving us what? Minus 0 divided by x minus exponential minus x times 0 be giving us what? 0 minus 0 divided by x squared. Let me write in full like this also. The next step is what? You should by what? By multiplying it. So open bracket, infinity exponential minus infinity be giving us what? 0 divided by what? Minus x minus exponential infinity be giving us what? 0 divided by x squared, all in bracket. Minus open bracket 0 times minus 0 times exponential minus 0. If you press it in your calculator, it will give us what? 1 divided by minus x minus exponential minus 0 will give us what? 1 divided by x squared, all in bracket. So also equal to what? Is infinity times 0 be giving us what? 0 divided by minus x minus 0 divided by x squared, all in bracket, minus 0 times 1 be giving us what? 0. 0 times 1 be giving us what? 0 divided by minus x minus 1 divided by x squared, all in bracket. 0 divided by minus x be giving us what? 0 minus 0 divided by x squared be giving us what? 0, all in bracket, minus open bracket 0 divided by minus x be giving us what? 0 minus 1 divided by x squared, all in bracket. 0 divided by 0, this one is 0. So it also equal to what? Minus times minus be giving us what? Plus, that is 1 divided by what? This one is 0, is have gone. 1 divided by what? 1 divided by minus x squared. So this is our what? This is our final answer. So our f of t equal to t. Find the Laplace of f of t. Our Laplace of f of t equal to what? 1 divided by minus x, 1 divided by x squared. So from the Laplace transform table, we say that t raised to power n equal to what? N factorial divided by x n plus 1. We want to consider whether our answer is correct or not. So our t raised to power what? Our t raised to power 1 equal to what? That is our n to be equal to 1. So n times what? What is our n? 1 factorial divided by x raised to power n plus 1. What is our n? Our n equal to what? Our n equal to 1. 1 plus 1. Also equal to what? 1 factorial giving us what? 1 times 1 divided by what? X. 1 raised to power 1 plus 1. Raised to power 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 giving us what? 2. So 1 times 1 giving us what? 1 divided by x squared. So that means our answer is what? Is very, very correct.